Hi guys, it's Jennifer from Breakthrough Maths, and today I'm going to be showing you how you would use indices to solve for x. So first of all, we need to go through some of the basics of indices, which is on the left hand side here of the screen. So the first and most important rule is that we need a common base. Now I'll explain what the common base is. So as you can see here, our base number below the power is 2 for each of these. So we have a common base of 2. Same here, we have 2 to the power of something and 2 to the power of something. Again, a common base of 2. And here we have a base of 2, which means our answer can stay with that common base. So all of our answers here will have the same base of 2. Okay, then we need to look at our rules. So if we are multiplying like we are here, we have all the multiply signs. That means we add the powers. So we'll have 3 plus 2 plus 4, keeping our common base, gives us 9. So 2 to the power of 9. If we are dividing then, we subtract the powers. So we'll have 5 minus 3, which will give us the power of 2. Again, keeping our common base of 2 the same. Finally, when we have brackets, you multiply the powers. So here we have x by 2, which is 2x. Again, keeping the common base of 2. So once you have the common base, you can write that down for your answer, and all you're worried about then is figuring out the powers. Okay, on to our question. We're asked to use indices to solve 2 to the power of x is equal to 8 to the power of 4. So, first of all, we notice that we do not have a common base. We have 2 and we have 8. So we need to fix that if we want to use indices to solve here. So we can bring 8 to a power of 2 to the power of 3. So we'll convert 8 to 2 to the power of 3 and put that to the power of 4. If you weren't sure how I got that, 2 to the power of 2 is 4 and 2 to the power of 3 is 8, because 2 by 2 is 4, by 2 is 8. So 2 to the power of 3 is 8. So we know we needed 2 as our common base, so we brought it down to 2. We worked our way up. 2 by 2 was 4. 2 by 2 by 2 gives us 8. Okay, then we have another rule. We have brackets here. And we know with brackets, we multiply the powers. So we'll have 3 by 4 is 12, keeping our common base the same. And then this leaves us with our final answer. We can drop the common base and we're left with x is equal to 12. And that's how you use indices to solve for x.